Gather the right tools for the job. Deco recommends using the following. To begin, start with installing a waterproofing barrier to the exterior wall according to your local building code. Next, apply 1" by 4" vertical strapping on 16" centers and at all vertical seams. Strapping should be present at both the left and right edges of the wall. Your concrete panels will arrive in a wooden crate. Carefully unpack the panels, carrying and storing them on edge, similar as you would with granite. Never carry or stack panels horizontally. Make sure the panels are stored indoors while still in the crate. Always begin the installation process with the bottom row. It's important this first row is installed level. Using your laser level, measure from the lowest point of the wall to the height of the first panel. Then add an additional 1/4 inch and set your mark. This 1/4 inch reveal is necessary for natural moisture evacuation and ventilation of the wall system. This mark is the level line for the top edge of the first row of panels. Next, apply foam adhesive in a continuous bead on each of the vertical straps to the total height of the panel. You can now carefully set your panel in place. Once the panel is level, brad nail through the face of the panel into the strapping to secure it in place. Be sure to nail each corner and sufficiently nail the field area. If the brad nailer is used properly, it will not damage the concrete. Because of the texture of the concrete, brad nails will not be visible. When cutting your panels, we recommend using a guided circular saw with a fiber cement diamond blade. Continue with these steps for each panel, completing each horizontal row before beginning the next. Our professional sales team is happy to assist or answer any questions that may come up during the installation process. With good planning and the right tools, your experience with Deco concrete cladding will be a success.